A problem is a chance for you to do your best. Every successful entrepreneur, every top salesperson, and every business leader has one thing in common. They learn to see problems differently. While most people see obstacles, they see opportunities. While others make excuses, they find solutions. That's because every challenge you overcome builds confidence, experience, and resilience that no one can ever take away. The truth is, life will always present problems. The question is whether you'll let those problems hold you back or use them as the stepping stones that move you toward the future you've always wanted. At TruPowur, we don't ask you to convince people to buy something they don't need. Instead, you help homeowners and businesses reduce an expense they already have: energy. You help uncover billing errors that could lead to refunds, compare competitive supplier rates, and provide solutions that can save customers money month after month. When you solve real problems for people, something incredible happens. You earn their trust. And when you consistently create value, you build a business that creates recurring, compounding residual income for years to come. This isn't about chasing the next commission. It's about building an asset. It's about creating financial freedom by helping others improve their financial situation. Every customer you help today has the potential to become another stream of recurring income tomorrow. So the next time you're faced with a challenge, don't ask, "Why is this happening to me?" Ask yourself, what opportunity is hidden inside this problem? Because your biggest breakthrough may be disguised as the obstacle standing right in front of you. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.